So now let's see how we can work around with Jetpack AI sets block inside of wordpress.com. So to do that, I'm going to click on the plus button right here in between the block, and then I'm going to go around and search for Jetpack right here just like this, and you can see that Jetpack AI sets is an option right here. So once you go ahead and do that, it says you need to enable Jetpack sets so that Jetpack AI can index your site. If I were to go ahead and enable it, now what happens is that it'll actually index out your site right here, just like this. And then you can go ahead and start for free as well. Let's say, for example, right here. So let me just go around over here and then complete out the checkout right here for $0 right here. And then you can see that it says, welcome to Jetpack block right here. So overall, if you want to keep on using it, then you do need to go ahead and pay for this. But let me just go around over here onto my post right here. So let's just go around onto post where I actually went ahead and added out the Jetpack AI block right here. So it's loading right here just like this, and then you can see that this is what you have. So you can go ahead and ask a question right here. Let's say, for example, let me just go around over here onto the preview itself. So this is the sample post, and ask question about the site, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and say, what is this site about? Let's say, for example, right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and ask it, and then it simply goes ahead and based on the information that is there, it simply gives a response of the site. So it says the site appears to be a blog focused on various topics such as teamwork, growth, and collaboration. It contains posts that provide information and example related to this theme. For example, there's teamwork triumphs and there's growth, collaborative magic. Additionally, there's a sample post that include information on health, a sample Python code, and a list of fruit nutrients and health benefits, which is this particular page right here. So, and this suggests that the blog covers a range of subjects, possibly aimed at and offering educational or informative material. So you can see that you can create and utilize this creative block right here, just like this. And over here on the right hand side for this block, I can go ahead and you see that there are not much settings right here for this, and that is it. You can go ahead and add in an interactive AI element that users can interact to ask information about the site easily. And that is how you can utilize the Jetpack AI sets block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.